When saving the updated stock, we now have an editor that launches at the end. So if we select Save Updated Stock, we now have this editor where you can manipulate the bodies by shifting, rotating, scaling, or deleting. We can also duplicate and move them around. This may be an important feature when doing parts such as multi-fixtured parts, where we need to rotate the stocks around or maybe duplicate them to be used in another CAM part with different fixturing. There is also the option to save based on other coordinate systems in your CAM part. So for instance, we can see we have all of our MAC positions shown, and when we say output, we can output to any of them. The default output coordinate system is the CAD system, and this is useful for when we are taking the updated stock from one CAM part to another CAM part, but we have the same model in SolidWorks. This will position the STL when you use it in the stock by STL. In your second CAM part, it will be located in the right position. If your original SolidWorks model is going to be set up in a different assembly or a different fixture, you may have to choose one of these, or you may have to just find what shifts and rotations you need to do, and when you hit the OK, it will save the updated stock in that new transformed position with the bodies that you have selected.